Hello and welcome to this exercise. This is a comprehension task on the monster truck. So let's read this together. So Jake thought that he was having the best birthday ever when he opened a present containing an orange and blue monster truck with yellow and red flames painted across the bonnet. Just when he thought it couldn't get any better, he found an envelope tucked inside the truck box, which contained tickets for the Mega Monster Truck Show at the City Arena that evening. When Jake insisted on taking his new truck to the show, his brother laughed at him. "You don't need that. You're going to see the real thing." Jake's seat was right next to where the trucks entered the arena. He ran his new truck along the top of the barrier as they waited. Suddenly, the stadium was filled with the sounds of roaring engines. Jake leaned over the metal wall, straining to where the trucks were trundling forwards. "I can see them," he yelled. "They are coming and they're huge, this big." He spread his arms widely, and to his horror, his new truck slipped out of his fingers and down onto the roadway below. Within seconds, it disappeared under the wheels of a colossal blue and silver truck. When all the trucks had gone past, Jake looked down sadly at the roadway. His beautiful truck was flat and twisted. Dad put an arm around his shoulder. "Never mind," he said. "It was an accident. Try to enjoy the show. We'll sort it out later." The trucks performed some amazing stunts, and Jake was thrilled. But as the stadium rang to the sound applause at the interval, he remembered his poor truck. If only he'd left it at home. He watched as one of the truck drivers bounded up the stairway and stopped at the end of their row. "Where's the little boy whose truck got squashed?" he shouted. Jake put his hand up, scared that he was going to get into trouble. "Come round to the trucks at the end of the show," the driver shouted, "and I'll make sure that you get a free ride." There we go. This was a story about Jake and the fact that he got a monster truck, a small monster truck as a toy, which got squashed quite badly, unfortunately, when he actually went to see the live monster trucks. And there in the middle, you have an example of what a monster truck actually looks like. So have a read of this in detail and then answer the questions as normal. Good luck with this and see you very soon. Thank you.